Yeah, let's continue. Having validated the first, okay, we are going to move to the second one. Just know that what we just did here just that we made it impossible for anybody to submit this form without entering a name. That is to say that this name is possible. It's important that the person must enter the name before submitting. You get that? And we want email to be that way as well. Okay. I mean, we want website to be optional. Okay, so one mustn't enter a website to submit. Okay, then we want this ones to be a must. Okay, this one to be optional as well. Okay, so we are going to work on this email right now. Then we'll work on this as well. You get that? Okay, so having done that, I mean, we are going to quickly move to the PHP code script. Yeah, we're going to go to form validation page for this PHP script right now. We're going to just repeat exactly what we did here. So we have to copy this. We have to copy this. Okay. Then you repeat it. Okay, then this time around we are going to check the email. Okay, here you're going to say no email. Maybe no email. Okay, good. Then you repeat process again. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. Repeat the process again. Okay, put it down here. Okay, here then this time around you're going to put gender because websites you have to leave website. Okay, leave website because website is optional. You put gender. Then you say no, maybe no gender. Okay. So having done this, I think we have done a good job here. This comment is also optional, so leave it. Save. Now let's see what we'll get. Let's see what we're going to get. If you click here, okay, there's something we didn't take care of. Just 1 minute. Yeah, okay, there's a mistake we made here. We didn't consider putting else if. The here is going to be because we have if here. So the next will be else if. Okay, because it's going to check this one first. If you check this one, if you check name, if name is empty, it will report. The way we are coding it right now, we still code it the other way. Okay, but for now, this is how we want to code this. We want to code it in such a way that it will first of all check to know if the name is empty. If the name is empty, it will report it immediately. Are you getting me? Then if the name is not empty, then it will check the second one, email. That's why you are going to put else if. Because if you put if, what it means is that it will try to check all of them at once. Okay, and that is not exactly what we want to. And when it tries that, it will not use this location for all at once. This location can't work for all. It can just work for one. It will get confused. Are you getting me? So it will not show anything at all. Okay. So what we have to do is that you are going to use else if so that it will be sequential. Like it will check this one first. Okay. Check another. Later we are going to code the one that will check for all at once. Okay. But this particular method we're using now will check for each of them at once. Okay, I mean not at once but individually. You get that? It will check for the first one, then the second one, the third one. You get that? Very good. So let's go back, then let's check again right now. You see no name. There's something we didn't check here. We didn't finish coding this. Okay, actually we've done with this, but you have to go back to this place. When we come here now, we are going to say if we get, we are going to repeat this process. you're going to say if you get, I'm going to say else if you get an error, then this one it will be no email. Then we say enter your email. Enter your email. Okay. Then you repeat it. This time around, no what? Let me check the next thing. Okay. No gender. Okay. No gender. No gender. No gender. Okay, then we'll come here, we say select your gender. That's beautiful. Then you save. When you save, then we'll come here now. Okay, let me remove this so that we run it from the scratch. Then if I click here, it will say enter your name. Then I'll enter my name, Uche Joseph. Okay, if I check it again, it will say enter your email. You get that? But my name is gone from here. I will tell you how to return this name, but it's later. Okay, but for now, I will enter my name, Uche. Then I will enter my email, Uche. That's my email here. Then if I check again, it see enter your gender. Okay, that means the gender. These three are compulsory. Okay. Then if I enter my name, enter my email, then I will select my gender. You get that? If I select my gender now, you see that it will submit it. That's beautiful. You didn't see any report again. Okay, that's by the way. We'll code other ones, but you've gotten the idea. Okay, you've gotten the idea. So the idea is this. Let me go back and explain this again. This code, we check if the name is empty, because the name is compulsory. It mustn't be empty. Okay, so it shouldn't be empty. You get that? If it is empty, it will not allow it to submit. Okay, so you are telling PHP that if that name is empty, please send this back, as in send it back to index page. Okay, you are validating with another page, so it has to send the code back to index page. And when it gets there, let it report no name. Okay, no name on the URL. Okay, and when no name is reported on the URL, there's another PHP code in this particular page. This PHP code will check if there is an error, like if there's a variable named error on the index on the URL, to check it. Then if it gets a variable like that, then it will come inside and check if that same variable is equals to no name. If it is equals to no name, it will now report this. Okay, it will report enter your name. If it is equals to no email, it will report this one. If it is equals to no gender, it will report this one. You get that? So that is the idea. Okay, I think I have to stop here as well. Thank you so much.